Study like genius, and in this video I would briefly summarize a very important topic of class 9 to plus 2, which is television a boon or ban. It means whether television is a boon to us or a ban to us. Yes guys, it is a very important topic, and it is one of the most asked article in the CBSE examinations. So I must start. In the modern era, television has become a great necessity to all of us. Television has become a great necessity to all of us, and also it not only provide news or recreations, it also provide us with all different sorts of information of different parts of the world. It gives us the first hand information about every incident which happens in the world. It is one of the most revolutionary gadgets which has been invented in the 20th century. So, as televisions has many advantages, what are its disadvantages? Why most of the people regard this as their as disadvantage? Although it provides many opportunities, it gives a chance to people to show their skills, talent, but why it has so many disparities? It can enlighten illiterate and ignorant mass, but in the hand of an incompetent people, it can damage people's morals. It can damage moral values of many people, and it can provoke people to disregard other countries, and so on. It can precipitate a war also. Cable channels have made a lot of development in the history of television. Has a wide variety of programs to cater to every taste, but the speed at which channels have mushroomed the speed at which channels have mushroomed has led to a fast decline, which has led to a fast decline of standards. New programs may be technically innovative, but they definitely reflect bankruptcy of thought and paucity of talent. I should explain paucity. Paucity is the मतलब talent की respect नहीं रही है. There is no respect for there is no respect for anything. मतलब किसी भी चीज़ का रिस्पेक्ट ना होना is paucity. Today children are much addicted than uh, uh, than parents to television. It has become second nature nowadays to most of children. Children begin to lose their appetite and start showing poor social behavior if a child is a television addict. But the most important thing, students start showing low grades in academics and sports, which is very important for a teenager or a kid. uh, as I will make a video on exercise furtherly, so I would say that exercise is one of the most important for your life. It makes your life easier. It makes your body immunity more strong. So in this lockdown period, in this pandemic period, it is very important for you, all of us, to exercise daily. So I hope you will do that properly, and if you want me to do, I will make a video on yoga also, different types of asanas and much more. So let's get back to the topic. Children go fatter and fatter, and the sheer waste make them narrow minded. This sheer waste make them narrow minded. Then what is the solution? Also, if there is a problem, there must be a solution. Just as a blade is a life saving tool in the hands of a surgeon, but a life taking weapon in the hands of a criminal, so do televisions come with their issues making them a boon or ban is in the user's own hands. People should make judicious use of television. Also, they must wake up and behave like responsible adults, deciding to limit their children's use of television so as to protect them from being couch potatoes. So this is the summary which I explained you. These are enough points to be mentioned in the exam. If you wrote these points very properly and in the proper manner, I am definitely sure you will get very good marks in writing section. So to end the video, I would want to give you a moral that we have this is the topic of class, matlab this is a syllabus, but also this has become a real issue in the whole country. The resources that parents provide to their children, but students do not make good use of them, and they just get addicted to them, like games like PUBG and social media like TikTok, Instagram. So these are all sheer waste. I mean, these apps are good only at a limit, but when it crosses the limit, it will be very harmful for you. I have seen children who are addicted, be they become very mad of this game, and they just lost all their mind in this. So I would request you not to do this. Use your resources judiciously, which are provided by your parents. So allow me to take a leave and as to have a cup of tea. After all, it is the morning. I would have a cup of tea. So bye. We will meet in the next video, similarly in the same stuff. So be prepared for that. Bye.